Do you find it difficult to listen to and understand business English phrases in the workplace? Do you get confused and worried that you may have missed some important information? Do you need to have better communication skills and to improve your business English language skills? Or are you a student learning English and studying for IELTS or MBA and you need familiarity with the language of business, the language of the office? Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the course for you, because I will teach you to master 120 key office phrases. By the end of this course, you'll be able to communicate more effectively in the workplace. I'll teach you using my easy-to-follow method of pictures and words. In this highly rated course of 5-star reviews, you'll enjoy 8 hours plus of content. The course includes lots of activities which are fun, engaging and challenging. Every office phrase is explained in detail. And also there are lots of worksheets to ensure easy learning. To introduce myself, I will be your tutor on the course. My name is Aidan Toomey. I've been lucky enough to help thousands of students with their business English, and I'd love to be able to do the same for you. So, if you're ready to start learning, take the first step. Please click the Enrol button, or if you need more time to decide, then watch the free preview videos. And I hope to see you on the course.